What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over BTC, currently sitting at 60.7, down 3% on the day. Market cap, 1,197 billion. 24-hour volume is 51 billion. So we're coming down in the correction. I'd expect at least one more little lower low here to complete a wave A, which is a 5-wave move, before pushing up in a B, pulling back in a wave C. In our target zone of 55K, 55.7K to 59.6K. I do update these charts every single day in my Discord, which you can join for free. Top link in the comments. And complete the ABC correction into our target zone and then see continuation back to the upside. On the weekly chart, we have a nice bull flag. Now, depending on where you want to measure your flag pull, if we do it all the way from this small pullback here, that flag will take you all the way up to 113K. I do think we will reach in between 100 and 150. I do think well over 100K, at least 125K to 150K in the bull market minimum, especially if Trump gets elected, as he'll pump money into the economy. I do think that's the likely scenario. If Kamala Poops Her Pants gets elected, then maybe we only see 100K Bitcoin, but we'll have to see when election comes. But that is a nice target there of 113K. So that's what I'm looking at for BTC, ABC correction into our target zone before continuation back to the upside. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America, one of the few exchanges where you can trade futures in North America. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees, top of the comments. Join my free Discord, all links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love.